Today is a beautiful day. I love this market. It is always busy. Wait! What is that? Oh no! Excuse me! Please move! There is a dog here! Oh no! Your leg is hurt! You need a doctor! Is it okay? Is it okay? It will be, I promise. We are going to the hospital. You will be okay, little one. Keep watching Day. This story will change you back! Lucky, are you okay? Good dog. You are very brave. Stay still, little dog. We are almost there. I will call you. Lucky! Hello, I have an injured dog. I am coming now. Please be ready. We are here, Lucky. This is the hospital.
Hello? Oh, is that the dog you called about? Yes, his name is Lucky. He needs help right now. Okay, let's get him looked at right away. Bring him here.
Oh, poor little thing. His paw is hurt. Let me take him to Dr. Raza. Thank you so much. I am so worried about Lucky. I hope he is okay.
How is Lucky? Is he okay?
Dr. Raza is with him now. Please wait a little more.
Hello, I am Dr. Raza. You brought Lucky in?
Yes, that is me. How is he?
Come, I will show you. Lucky's paw is injured. It is not very bad. We cleaned it and put a bandage.
Is he in pain?
Not now. He is calm.
You are safe now, Lucky. Nobody will hurt you again. Will it hurt him?
Just a little. But it will make him better.
You are so brave, Lucky.
Do you have a pet at home? No, but I love animals. Maybe Lucky will be your first pet.
Tell me, Ice, where did you find Lucky?
At Jinnah Market. He was on the road. He was alone and scared.
Good, you saved his life.
Medicine morning and night. Soft food. No running for 1 week.
Thank you, doctor. Lucky! I am here. Stop, Lucky! Your tongue is wet. He is saying thank you. This is for pain. And this one stops infection. How many times a day? 2 times. Morning and night.
Street dogs need help. Many people ignore them.
But it is everyone's problem.
Exactly.
I am at the animal hospital. I found an injured dog. His name is Lucky. Are you okay? The total is 5,000 rupees. Okay, no problem. Lucky is worth it. Thank you. Welcome to our verb lesson. Let's start with find, like finding a hidden treasure. Next is help, like helping a friend. Finally, take, like taking a fun journey. Lucky, we are going home now. This is your new home. Today was a long day, but it was a good day. This is good food for dogs. Lucky will love this.
This is your home now, Lucky. Do you like it? Good dog. You like it.
Look at him. He is sleeping now. He feels safe. Lucky, it is time to eat. Are you hungry? Woof, woof, woof. Here you go. Eat slowly.
Look, Lucky is playing. But the doctor said no running, so he plays slowly now, very carefully.
The doctor said,
Medicine 2 times a day, morning and night.
But Lucky does not know about the pill.
Good boy, Lucky. Very good. He does not know.
Kindness is free. It does not cost money. Always help someone who needs help, human or animal.
Good morning, Lucky. How are you today?
You are happy today. That is very good.
Oh, wow. He is so cute. His name is Lucky. He is much better today. You are so kind, Emily. He needed help.
It looks better. Less red, less swollen.
You are healing fast. One more day and you will be perfect. Today, let us learn feelings. Happy. I was happy when Lucky woke up. Worried. I was worried when he was hurt. Relieved. I was relieved when the doctor said he is okay. Slowly, Lucky. Small steps. This is our first walk together. It is a beautiful moment. Lucky! Come back! 1 week ago, he could not even walk. Now look! Do you know, Lucky? That day at the market Wone, I was gonna drive past, but something told me to stop. I am so happy I stopped. Today we learned how to ask for help, how to talk to a doctor, and how to take care of someone how, all in English. You are doing great.
Oh, look at Lucky. He looks so good. 1 week. He is a very fast healer.
Excellent. The paw is completely healed.
Really? Oh, that is wonderful!
Lucky is fully healthy now. So Gup, are you keeping Lucky?
Yes, I am keeping him. He is my dog now.
He is lucky to have you.
No, oh, I am Lucky.
This is happiness. A good book. A warm home. And a good friend.
If YOU see an animal in need, please stop and help. Even a small action can save a life. Lucky is my proof. Today's lesson is not only about English. It is about being a good person. This little dog taught me, one small act of kindness can change everything. Lucky someone left a comment. They also found a dog. And they do not know what to do. Watch the next video how we will help them together.
Injured is hurt. Hospital is where sick people go. Medicine helps you heal. Brave is not scared. Kindness is being good to others.
Quick English quiz. What does injured mean? A, happy. B, hurt. C, tired. The answer is B. Injured means hurt. Today, Emily drove through a market. She saw a hurt puppy. She stopped. She got help. And now, they are a family.
Remember this, when you help someone hog, even a small dog hog, your heart grows bigger. That is the real lesson today. Not just English hog, but kindness.
What would yo do? If you saw an injured dog on the road, would you stop? Write your answer in the comments. Repeat after me. I need help. Where is the hospital? He is hurt. Thank you, doctor. Perfect, you did it. Injured means hurt. Paw means a dog's foot. Hospital is the place where sick people or animals get better. Now you know. Can you use these words in a sentence? Lucky, say goodbye. Bark. If you liked Lucky's story, please subscribe. Every week, Emilly English Course brings you a new story and new English lessons. Subscribe now. Let us learn together. Thank you for watching Emilly English Course. Learn English, one story at a time.
Watch the next video right now. And turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new story.